Hi everyone, just wanted to share my parking strip sidewalk garden, which is all succulents, only succulents. All right, so let's take a look. So as you can see here, most of it's still looking pretty good. We're in San Jose, hardiness zone 9B, and we are getting a fair amount of sun. It's still definitely milder than normal, but we're getting up to the 90s periodically. And you can see like some of the aeoniums are definitely dormant and curling up. And yet some others, like sunburst, which normally burns, is actually looking decent and still fairly open, whereas these have all closed up. And even my Graptosedum ghosties have closed up quite a bit. So that would tell you that it's hot and sunny, scorching, but I mean, we're still not quite hot. Oh wow, okay. The Fred Ives and the Echeveria's doing great. Okay. And the Aeonium haworthia is incredible. So here you go again. Some of these Aeoniums are still pretty wide open and doing good. And others are not so good. And check this out. See this fried one right here? This is actually a cutting of this that fell off that I just stuck in the ground. And look how battered it is, and look how different it looks. It really is amazing. Oh boy. That does not look good. That was a flapjack. Back to the drawing board. Okay. And then here's another Aeonium. Again, sunburst looking pretty decent, all things considered. Beautiful Mangave snow leopard. That's about 10 feet tall now with its bloom spike. Is that amazing? The foliage is beautiful, pups a lot, okay? The bloom is interesting from the height standpoint. Not necessarily gorgeous, but it is swelling up. I think it's getting ready to open, flower. We'll see. More will be revealed. Anyways, that's the latest and greatest from the parking strip sidewalk succulent garden. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I'm glad to answer them. Otherwise, have yourself a beautiful day and happy gardening.